about YouTube. This is for customers who have the Subaru Impreza with the alarm system playing up and the alarm control units above the steering column. What we've got is I've produced a full data sheet, because I get this asked quite a lot now, of what each individual colour does. So you can see here that you've got the pinouts, the pins, okay, and then each individual colour. I'll tell you what each one does and also where the Immobiliser circuits are. We've also got the full pinout, okay, on there. We've got pictures of where the breaks in the cables are, so the location of the breaks and the cuts in the cables all the way through. It's an 8-page. I can produce it as a PDF if you want to download it, or I can send it through the post, and it would be £20 plus postage, or you can have it as a PDF, download it straight onto your system and then print it off yourself, and that would just be the straight £20. If you're interested, drop me a comment or send an email to caralarmandradio@gmail.com, and we can take it from there. Okay, speak to you soon.